Tatakbo ka ba in 2028?
Well, not some, many people, especially my followers and the people, they really are looking for a champion. I'm not saying it has to be me, right? I'm almost 70 years old. But
Posibleng tatakbo ka ba?
I have no plans, Karen. I always say, I have no plans. And don't say I'm doing this because I want to run for senator.
Gusto mo ba manalong presidente si Sara Duterte?
Hindi sa gusto ko. But I also said that, I'm qualified to be a political analyst. After all, I was a politician in my mother's womb all the way to now. Unlike some people, I'm saying she's the woman to beat. Look at the surveys, and not only the surveys, kasi Bisaya ako, Karen. Not that I want, but that the people also I mingle with, they all say the same thing. If you hold elections now, VP Sara will win.
Palagay mo ba doon sa mga supporters ni Leni Robredo, merong kandidato na pwedeng tumalo sa kanya?
Ang gusto ni Risa siya, para daw pag nag-unite daw sila lahat, kasama si BBM, why not? Ako naman parang, alam mo, okay lang sa akin mag-ambisyon kayo dyan eh. Pero yung ambisyon nyo na kain suka kayo, I will comment. Dati, never again sa martial law, I'm consistent. I'm consistently anti-Marcos. I'm consistently anti-corruption. I'm consistently anti-EJK. I'm consistently West Philippine Sea is ours. I said that impeachment against Sara Duterte was rigged. It violated the right to due process, therefore unconstitutional, and hindi ako uto-uto ni Martin. And I objected to the way Digong was arrested by General Torre.